Well, 60 degrees today, but we are not focused on that. We are focused on snow to come. Meteorologist Jonathan Myers is here with our full forecast. Jonathan?
Yeah, that's late fall in Maryland. Could be in the 60s one day, and the next day it could be snowing. And in fact, that is going to be happening likely for some of us as early as tomorrow. It's mainly a cold rain for our Monday, but there could be some snow north and west. But this is not the main player here. Could be a light slushy accumulation of an inch or two well north and west, especially over the highest elevations like Carroll County or maybe even the Hereford zone. Again, that would mainly be the highest elevations and in areas that are unpaved. But it's a 1-2 wintry punch, and the knockout punch could be the one that comes Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and Thursday morning. And that could be a major system, maybe with some plowable snow. It could trump all the amounts of snow that we had last year. Remember, it wasn't a very impressive snow year last year, and we could do that just with this one system. And it might be the biggest snow that we've seen in at least a couple of years around here if the computer model trends do play out. And of course, you know, you always hear us weather guys saying there's still some uncertainty once you're about 3-4 days out. And that's where we're at with this. But as we get closer, we're really going to start honing in tightly. Now, snow looks like it potentially could be a high impact. There could be a little bit of rain and ice as well. Travel could be a big mess here Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning, if not maybe in some spots nearly impossible. Power outages pretty low on the food chain here, just due to the fact that we're expecting it mainly to be either rain or snow and not so much a big ice producer, but there could be a little ice in the mix. So this is our first call totals. Again, this is 3 days out, so there will be some adjustments, but south and east of the city and maybe even near the water in the city, it's 3 to 6 inches of snow and progressively less as you get farther south on the eastern shore and down toward Annapolis. In much of the city, it could be at least maybe about a 4 or 5 inch snowfall. Maybe some areas away from the water, it could be a double-digit snowfall. And then the big totals look like they come in those usual snowburb spots here. Cockeysville up to Westminster could be 8 to 16 inches of snow. Some computer models are saying up there around Westminster, points up towards the PA line, it could be as high as a couple feet of snow. Yes, that's what I said, a couple feet of snow. But again, this is 3 days out, so lots of time to watch this one here. System number one moving up the Ohio Valley. Their winter weather advisories posted north and west as that colder air is now pushing in. Rain primarily out of this one, but there's a little bit of snow on the western edge that could get in the kind of play here as we work into tomorrow midday afternoon. Right now it's 46 on the Mile 1 Taos Cam. The cold air is shifting in from the north and west. And take a look at the future scan. System number one, we're not as worried about. It's mainly rain. Again, north and west of that blue up near Westminster. That could be some wet snow. This should wrap up about 3-4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Then a dry day coming for Tuesday. Gets a lot more interesting as we head here into Wednesday. Notice by 10:45 a.m. it's snow. There's rain south, snow north, 115. Some of that snow could be heavy, even the city included, especially Wednesday afternoon commute into Thursday morning. That's going to be the big time stuff. And then this should taper by midday and afternoon on Thursday. This snow I'm showing you here, this stuff that happens into tomorrow, likely, again, maybe an inch or two in some of this blue here, north and west, up around Westminster, north and west. That there is just going to be the very beginnings or the appetizer, the big system Wednesday into Thursday to watch, and then it remains cold thereafter. All right.
John